welcome back to Rondell Designs, your place for art and craft, DIY, as well as creative business tips, and the occasional draw with me and paint with me video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about equipment. So I'm really excited because I've just upgraded my, like phone arm, desktop, tabletop thing, so that I can hold my phone over the table when I'm drawing or painting, because sometimes I love to do a tutorial where you're not looking at me, you're just looking at the process of the artwork or craft item being created. So I've had this guy for about a year and it worked okay, like it just clipped on, but it was really quite tricky to rearrange the direction of the phone. So it cost me $6 and I used it for ages, and then it kind of broke and I haven't been using it. So I just haven't been making those types of videos for the last couple of months. And I love those types of videos. So I was like, why don't I just buy a new one? Like, hello, they're $25 on Amazon Australia is where I found the new one I got. And they also have them on the Amazon US site. And I also got one for my iPad. So I just want to show you. So this here is my beautiful new phone holder. It's almost 360, not quite, but it rotates really well. Go that way, and then it literally clamps onto the desk, and then it can fully rotate. It is life-changing for me and my YouTube videos. I've been wanting to get one for months and I don't know what was stopping me. I was just in my car the other day, like, oh, just order one. And while I was online finding my amazing new phone holder, I also found one that's for iPads. So I haven't tried that one out yet. I think I'll give it a go right now and see how it goes. Because I actually make my videos for YouTube currently on my phone. I've got an iPhone 11 and an iPad Pro. So I'm still sort of beginner learner with how video editing and stuff. So it's really easy for me at the moment to get semi-decent quality video with, and then I just edit them on the iMovie app on my iPad. I'm starting to teach myself now Adobe Premiere because I would like to get a really good camera this year at some point. But yeah, at the moment, these work great for me and really good. The overhead stuff is amazing. The only other equipment I use is my lights. So I have two of these lights. I'm currently just using one, but these are great. I'll link where I got the lights from down below as well, in case you're needing some lighting. What I also use with my iPad is just this tripod. It's adjustable. Again, it was super cheap. I think I got it off the Amazon Australia website, so I'll see if I can chuck a link down below for that as well. That's great for just looking at the camera type of videos. But yeah, this one that's the overhead one, I'm so pumped. So I'm just going to give it a go now and we will see how it goes. So yeah, that is very cool. I like that. Oh my gosh. Doesn't have as much flex. Oh no, that's perfect. So this is an A3 piece of paper. Go in or I can go out. I'm not sure what I'll prefer better, to use my phone or my iPad for this. Probably my iPad, because like I said, at the moment I'm still editing my YouTube videos on my iPad, just in iMovie app. So if I don't have to transfer video files from my phone to the iPad and just can get them directly from there, I'm winning. So let's test out how it actually looks. Now what will we do? How about a little mandala drawing? What is a mandala? If you don't know, it's just, I don't know the technical description. It's a repetitive circle design with lots of little patterns in it. So yeah, if you love doing these type of YouTube videos, or you've been watching these type of videos and you're a drawer or an illustrator or an artist and have thought, oh cool, I'd love to do this type of video for myself, invest in at least one of these things. Maybe just the phone arm. I don't even know, what are they called? Are they called arms? I call them arms because they look like an arm, because they're like, and they're holding it. Invest in either one of them or both. Like I said, I'm in Australia. They cost me $60 Australian and that was delivered. They literally got here within a day. So I ordered them on the Tuesday, they got here on the Wednesday. I've got my little links in my description, which of course is an affiliate link as well. So if you do purchase through my link, then I will get a little commission, which is amazing and helps me to build my channel and do lots more awesome things. Okay guys, I'm going to speed this up, let you watch the whole thing, and if you are creative and love to draw or create with the bird's eye view, it's great also if you don't love putting your face in your videos. This is fantastic. You just put your hands and just get your hands to do the show off your video. These are amazing, well worth the investment. So I hope this video was helpful to you if you're looking at doing your own like draw with me or paint with me or craft from an aerial bird's eye view style of YouTube videos, or even if you need them for your social media. So TikTok or Instagram reels and stories, perfect for doing little 15-second or 60-second videos of your process without having to use your hands to hold your phone. So yeah, the links are below if you'd like to check out the products that I'm using. These products were really affordable, really easy to set up, easy to use. Just makes the video process so much more smooth when you've got the right equipment that works. I'd love to hear in the comments if you are going to give this a go, or if you've already got a channel where you do your own draw with me or paint with me style of tutorials. I'd love to check you out. So comment below with your channel and I'll have a look, and so can anyone else that watches this video. So thanks for watching guys. I'm so glad you joined me today. Stay tuned for more Rondell Designs videos. The next one is coming up in a few days, and it may well be one of these draw with me or paint with me style videos. In the meantime, get creative today.